The obvious benefit from it, I think, is the predict, is the algorithm, and for us it does enable us to start to identify the most vulnerable people in our communities, and in turn that will start to drive those person-centred risk assessments, those personal emergency evacuation or evacuation rescue plans for those people in their flats, and all of this is a bolt-on, if you like. We still needed to put the smoke detectors into those properties. This is an added benefit that we've gained from it, and I think when we start to mature and we're able to take the data from those systems and the self-testing emergency lighting, the boiler systems, the utility consumption data, we start to get a really, really good picture of how people live, how they use our homes, and ultimately how we can target the limited funding that we've got, the resources that we've got to make improvements to those.